Hi, I built a simple RAG powered WhatsApp chatbot. I want to quickly show you how it works. Okay, so first there's a Google Drive trigger that checks the folder every day if there is new information, especially with the SKUs. So the Google Drive folder contains FAQ, company policy, and SKUs in a PDF format. So what happens is that it downloads files, we edit the fields so that we can remove unwanted JSON fields, then upload the document to pdf.co, split the PDF into pages, and then I use the JavaScript code node to extract all of the pages from the API response. Because the pages are very heavy, there's like one that had 170 plus pages, so we cannot download all of that at once. We have to extract it one by one, right? So we download all of each pages and then extract the document information and page number. So very important is to format the fields and add the necessary RAG metadata so the RAG can know, oh, this information is coming from the company policy or coming from the company SKU data, likely from one of the FAQs. So and then all of this is uploaded directly. If there is new information, it's uploaded directly into the final vector store. I'm quickly going to show how the WhatsApp bot workflow works. All right, so this is how the general workflow looks like. I'll explain what is happening at each point. Okay, this is the webhook that receives messages from WhatsApp. I'm using Evolution API in this case. If the text is from a customer, it checks if the text is from the company staff or from a customer. So if the text from a customer, it sends the conversation text to the AI agent. AI agent checks if we have a memory of this user, if we have, so that it can attach necessary context and then be able to address the user by their names. Okay, then it pulls all of the information from the vector store, asks the GPT-4 mini model, and also if the user is asking about a product that they want to order, it can directly pull the product link into the WhatsApp chat from this HTTP request. All right, so very important is the fact that we are logging all of these responses and requests into a n8n data table so that we can know what is happening. We can be able to monitor and do quality assurance on the AI responses. Then I added a wait node that basically just tries to humanize the bot responses. So it is waiting between 30 seconds and like 2 minutes so that it feels that, okay, there's a customer support agent that is responding to other people while I wait. So now another very important part of this workflow is the fact that we are able to pull end of the day information for quality assurance and to know what is going on the chatbot. It's like an end of the day summary of the activities for the day. So yeah, it checks after checking if the text is from the company staff, right? It checks if the text includes the word summary. If it includes the word summary, it knows that, okay, yeah, this is the company staff that wants to know, get the summary of the end of the day summary of what has happened during the day. So what it does is that it gets row from the n8n data table and then sends all of the rows and information to a OpenAI model so that it can have a properly formatted WhatsApp response, and then it sends the response back to the company staff on WhatsApp. And then if the text does not include the word summary, which could be a mistake, yeah, it basically just does nothing and then doesn't burn the AI tokens for a mistake.